I want to calculate average salary of programmer. For that we are going to use average if formula, because this formula is used to calculate average only when single condition is given, and here we are given a single condition that that person should be a programmer. So this is our given table: employee ID, name, department, section and salary. So average if formula will go like this: average if, within bracket, first we have to select range. I have selected range from department field. From this department field I want that person should be a programmer. I will select programmer, comma, average range. Now I have to select the range from where I have to get average. So this is the range from where I will be getting average. Close the bracket, enter. So this is the average salary of all the three programmers. Same way, if you want to calculate average salary of employee based on multiple criteria, like I want that person should be a programmer, he should be from section A or B or C or D, like that. If we are given multiple condition, we'll go for average ifs. So formula is equals to average ifs. Within bracket I have to give average range. That means here we have to give range of salaries from where we have to calculate average, comma, second field it requires criteria range 1. That means we will select department field range, and then from this field we have to select I'm selecting I want average salary of a person who is in service department, comma, and whose section is, again I am selecting section range, and the section of that employee from service department should be E. So in table we can see that there is only one person in service department with section E. So output would be this. Now I want to calculate average salary of employees, all the employees. For that we are provided with average formula equals to average, within bracket I will give range of salary. So this is the average salary of all the employees, and we got it with the help of average formula. There is other way of finding average, like we can do sum of all the salaries, then we will divide that sum with total number of employees, equals to sum, within bracket I will do sum of all the employee salaries. So this is the sum of all the employee salaries. Now I will divide it with 11. So equals to this divided by 11. So we can see that average we got here is different from average we got here. Reason behind that is here average function is dividing total salary with denominator 10, because we are not provided with employee ID 3 salary, but here we are dividing total salary with 11. So there is a difference. Now we'll see average A formula. Here I will give this range, close the bracket and enter. Here we can see that output we got here is same as this. What average A formula do? It takes care of any text, like here we are given, we are not provided with salary, here it is written not available. So it will take care of this text, but it will divide it, that is total salary, with total number of employees.